Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning off the PC and unplugging power. This prevents short circuits and preserves components. Once done, open the case and ground yourself to avoid static damage because SSDs are sensitive to ESD. Make sure you identified your motherboard slots and whether you'll use SATA or NVMe. This determines cable and mounting choices. Prepare screws and any thermal pads for M2. Now you're ready to insert the drive. Don't rush this physical install step since alignment matters for connectors. You insert the SSD carefully. For M2, slide it into the slot at an angle and secure the mounting screw so the contact pins seat fully. For 5, slide it into a bracket and connect both data and power cables. Once connected, reattach the case and power on because BIOS must recognize the drive before Windows can use it. Then enter BIOS/UEFI to confirm detection and set boot priority if you plan to install an OS. Make sure firmware or option ROM settings match NVMe or you now initialize and format the drive inside your operating system. Choose GPT for modern UEFI systems and NTFS for Windows system partitions because that ensures compatibility and performance. If you're migrating an OS, clone only used space and then verify the cloned disk boots by adjusting boot order. Once booted, install the latest NVMe or SATA controller drivers. Run a smart check and a quick benchmark to ensure health and speeds are expected, and update SSD firmware if problems or performance gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.